Okay, so I wanted to give you my thoughts on this. Now, this is a device called Comis, and it is a skincare hybrid device that you place little pods into at the top here, and they have various different effects. So vitamin C, moisturizers, serums, fake tan. So I'm wearing the fake tan. I'm going to tell you the pros and cons. Now, I bought this myself and I did buy a whole host of things. So we'll talk about the cons. I got hit with nearly a £50 import duty fee on top of already spending £200 on this and the various items. So that was I wasn't best pleased about that. The other negative is that with regards to the fake tan, it really doesn't last long. And I don't mean the color. The color lasts a long time. I mean the actual pod. It's supposed to get, I think it's like 5 uses. I got 2 uses from it. So, and again, I know that's dependent upon how much you're using, but I used it on my partner who's obviously got no hair. And we nearly used the whole pod, just face, neck and head. And the pods are not cheap. And you don't get a lot of product in them. So that's the negatives. Also, and I'll show you the spray. When you spray it, it's beautiful. It feels cooling on the skin. But you kind of don't feel the benefit the way you do rubbing serums and moisturizers into the skin. And it can leave sometimes a slightly tacky surface. Now, the positives. It's one of the best fake tans I've ever used. Now, the reason I spent so much money on it is because I did a lot of research on the fake tan and everyone was saying it was amazing. You tell me, I think it looks amazing. It's a really good fake tan. It lasts a long, long time as well on the skin. My partner looked really, really radiant when he used it. It's just, you don't get a lot of product. And there's a lot of good fake tans on the market. There's a device called, I think it's called Tan Reveal. I'll do a review on it. I bought it a long time ago. That's similar to this, but you get a lot more kind of bang for your buck. Obviously, this isn't just for fake tan. There's a lot of other serums and potions available. I just think it's a really expensive version. I'm going to use all this up because I think it's excellent. I love the tan. I think the tan is just so nice. Would I repurchase again? No, probably not. Import duties were pretty bad. Plus the fact that you just don't get a lot of product. It's a really nice product. Tan is great, but it's just not for me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.